You know what this is. Let's buy Dogwifhat right on Bitmart. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Let's break this down. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the link below so you can get registered for your free Bitmart account. So that's the first thing to do. Second thing is we want to buy crypto or have it sent to your Bitmart account. First thing we're going to look for is third-party payments. So this is going to be the first option you can use. You can buy crypto right on Bitmart. We want to buy USDT because that's going to allow us to swap that USDT for Dogwifhat. So if we got $200 worth, we're going to look for USDT that looks just like this. And you can simply just buy it right from Bitmart. Actually, it's a third party, so you'll be escorted to there, but it's very simple steps. Buy USDT. The other area you can do, you can get it deposited to your Bitmart account. Okay? So click on deposit, and from here, I can have it sent to my account. So I click on USDT. The network example for this will be ERC20. And if I wanted to buy this on my Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, I can buy it. So this is Coinbase. If I can buy it just like this, $200 worth. After that, I can get it transferred, sent crypto to a crypto address. It will be this address right here, right there. Send, you click there, and you get it sent here. It may take a couple of minutes before it shows up into your account, but it's on its way. After that, either option you choose, the next thing we want to go is trade and then spot. We're keeping this very simple and very easy. Now, we want to search for that, so we're going to look for those two arrows there. Click there, and the actually information will be with. So that's going to be with. And we're looking for USDT. You see that USDT right there? So that is going to be the information with /USDT. See the little dog there? The dog matches. The dog matches. Okay? This is the chart. And over to the right, we want to buy it right here. So $2 worth of Dogwifhat. So I can just say, hey, I want to buy that much. Let's say if we want to buy 10, or actually buy 0.1 or something like that, 0.2 of WIF. Okay, the USDT will show up right there. So so whenever you have, make sure it shows up there that you transferred it or you bought it, and then you just click on buy WIF. Very simple. Now if you're trying to sell it, you do the exact same thing. If I want to sell this amount of WIF, I'll sell that amount of WIF, or $100 WIF, whatever, how much WIF you have. The same thing, click on sell WIF, and it goes right to your account, okay? And that's it. So, my name is Adam Shelton, I'm the captain. Let's buy some Dogwifhat very simply on Bitmart.